Hello, I'm going to make dairy-free Sawiyan. I thought I will share the recipe with you guys. Maybe some of you would like to try it. It's a very simple, quick recipe and there's no dairy in it. So it's good for health. So let me show you the ingredients. These are the ingredients I am using. I have taken 1 cup cashews and I have soaked it in water. I used hot water so that they become soft and I will blend them now. Dates. I've taken out this seed and I have cut them. So I'm going to blend both of these things together. And these are the toppings: pistachio, sliced almonds and fresh and crushed coconut. And these are the vermicelli Sawiyan I'm going to use. So let's start making it. Okay, so I have soaked 1 cup cashew in 1.5 to 2 cups hot water. And now I'm going to show you that I'm going to blend them. You want to keep a creamy consistency. Takes time. And dates, all of them. It has to be sweet, right? Just add some water. This much is enough. We will blend and see if we need more water. I'm adding some more water. I'm taking ghee, 1 to 2 spoons of ghee. I have moved it to a bigger frying pan so that it is easy to handle, and here is the cashew and date mix. Just warming it up and then I will pour it over on top of the Sawiyan. Vermicelli. I'm going to add almond milk. Just going to give it a boil and it's ready. As you can see, it's quite thick. And super creamy. Okay, now this is boiling and you can see it's very creamy. Add as much almond milk as you feel the consistency you want. And now I'll just let it boil for 1 or 2 seconds and it's ready. There are some bubbles coming up. I have moved the pan here and I'm going to pour this on top. I'm adding some dates, figs,